it's Nails by Riss here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a new nail art trend. It's got a little bit of pink, a little bit of chrome, and a marbly look to it, so stay tuned. To start off, I'm filing this nail to the desired shape. I normally just go with a square to keep it looking simple and nice. I'm also buffing the surface of the nail to make sure my products stick to it. Now I'm going in with just a cotton candy pink hard gel. I'm doing a nice thick coat over the whole nail. And from here, we're not going to cure it just yet. We're going to go in with our saran wrap, pressing it on the nail and adjusting it to sort of make a little pattern using the end of my nail pincher tool. Once I think I have a pattern I like, I cured it in the light and took off the saran wrap. Now I'm going in with my alcohol and just cleaning it off before I begin to file to the desired shape. Now I'm going in with my non-wipe top coat, curing that, and then going in with my chrome powder. I'm just using a little tool to get it into all the grooves. We don't have to cure it again from there. We are going back in with our cotton candy pink hard gel, curing that in the LED light. Now I'm going in and filing once again, starting with my sidewalls and free edge, then filing across the top surface of the nail to get the desired shape. I'm making sure to get rid of any of those gross bumps and making it all smooth. Once the nail is smooth, I'm wiping off the dust with a little duster as well as an alcohol wipe. Now, all I have to do is apply a non-wipe top coat and we're good to go. Here's the final look for my marble chrome and pink nails. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.